climbing up that pole again, happy to be at work again. The last 30 years, well, they've been hard. He hums a tune from the radio as he goes about the work he knows. Servisol and pliers firmly in hand. He's the air raid Siren Repairman. Did you think to thank him? You'll thank him. Have you thanked him? He's the air raid Siren Repairman. Now war is back in fashion, but don't forget to thank him. You'll thank him. Furloughed in 1991, air raid siren work all done, and peace broke out all around the world. Well, now he's up the pole again, making sure it's working, ready to blast out those old golden wartime songs. 'Cause he's the air raid Siren Repairman. Did you think to thank him? You'll thank him. Have you thanked him? He's the air raid Siren Repairman. Now war is back in fashion. But don't forget to thank